Hey guys, what's up? So this is episode 8. I'm very excited to bring this to you. Like the series is coming to an end. There's been a lot of progress. I'm very excited to see what happens in episode 8.
Yeah, I'm just curious to see what happens because, just the last 2 episodes and I don't know, I can't remember at all what happened this episode, so I just really want to see.
Basically, we've had like a refund earlier today, which wasn't a problem. It was just like, it wasn't even a big refund. He ordered like extra coils. But then this person ordered $1,300 worth, and I was like so confused. And then because I was like, oh wow, no one really orders that much from our store. And then she messaged me back, and then she said she like accidentally ordered too many coils. She was like panicking, and then she said she wanted a refund, but she kept saying she wanted a refund for just like everything, like a full refund. And she kept saying she wanted a refund just for the coils. So I messaged her again to just see, like, double check what exactly she wants a refund for, and she hasn't replied yet. So when she replies, I'll refund her. But worst case scenario, it'll be the full refund, which is $1,300. So our revenue today is actually $1,200 instead of $2,500.
Got it. Yeah, your revenue is sort of averaging out around 2.5k, which isn't too bad. So how's the launching going? How's the scaling going?
Yeah, man, it's been good. So I launched like 50 adsets the other day, and then I haven't launched any today because it's Monday for them. And but yeah, I just had a few questions. Like for example, I let these ones run. These have been on for a while now, but now it's hit like 52. The cost per ad to cart's all below $15, which is good, and like the CPC and everything's doing fine. But like in this situation, when everything's going smoothly except for no sales, would I just let it run until break-even point, and if no sales by then, I just turn them off?
Correct. So is your current ad account in New Zealand dollars or US dollars?
It's all US dollars.
Okay, and then your break-even is 56 US dollars.
Yeah, exactly.
And then now we go over sort of clarifications of scaling and how long to let things run. But it looks like Barsin has gotten into add to cart worldwide lookalike audiences, so it's scaling pretty fast. And when you're scaling a lot, you sort of need to know exactly when to kill things. Since Barsin's break-even point was so high, it was like, I don't know, $60-$70 Australian. That's why we had to really put together a formula if he should let things run to break-even point or how he could kill earlier based on cost per ad to cart.
Yeah, guys, so it's super important that we set these KPIs at this point, because if I hadn't learned these KPIs, I could have actually been like losing heavy money if I just kept these ad sets going.
So you would let them run to break-even point and then kill them straight away the moment it hits break-even point.
Okay, sweet.
Because now you're getting a lot of traffic that you can retarget later on. So the benefit of letting them run longer, you might get them back on retargeting, and if you killed it at $20, that's a lot of money being left on the table.
Exactly, yeah, for potential purchases.
Exactly, and there's probably, you've seen a lot of ad sets that got purchases at $30 or got purchases at $35, and that you wouldn't have gotten if you killed it at $20, as you usually did.
Exactly, and they could have just taken off at like $30 from then on, or like even $50.
Correct.
So yeah.
Barsin, look at the cost per clicks. So cheap. Crazy.
Wait, where is it? CP. Oh yeah, 40 cents, bro. That's crazy. And
dude, it's like 4 cents, 6 cents.
Gee.
Yeah, crazy.
That's actually really crazy. Yeah. This product was actually incredible.
But I was just wondering, like, no ad sets, obviously, I'm going to launch today because Monday, but what would be the next steps in terms of this? I actually downloaded SMS, that thing, the SMS like abandoned checkout thing. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, that's starting to run. I just did it like about an hour ago.
Awesome.
So yeah, I just watched the YouTube tutorial on like Noah Brewer, how he did it, and I just copied that and did it.
That's good. And then now on this call, our goal is to sort of like fill up any leaks possible. For example, abandoned checkout, that's a leak, and we're just sort of really optimizing and trying to make sure that Barsin gets the most out of this product and really squeezes the lemon. And do you have like email abandoned checkout?
Yeah, those, I've had those since the start, and they're actually doing pretty good. This one, I think it's like recovered 20 orders or something like that.
Perfect. Show me your current flow and I'll see if I can optimize it.
So I got 3, like 5 minutes after this is the first one. And then 10 minutes after, no, not 10 minutes, sorry. 5 hours after, I give them a 5% discount code.
Perfect.
And then 19 hours after, I give them a 10% discount code. And yeah, that's the last one.
And then we go over about checkout, the different times I do it. It's sort of important. So we sort of time it out, 48 hours, 12 hours, and like 1 hour. And yeah, we just sort of edit things around, optimize it. Yeah, that's pretty good. That works.
Sweet.
I usually space them out a bit longer. I do like the first one at an hour, the next one at 12 hours, and the next one at like 48 hours.
Okay.
But if this works, keep to this. But that's sort of what I usually do.
Alright, wait, I'll just follow the one you said. So 12 hours for the second one, and then what was the third one?
48 hours.
Oh, 48. Alright.
And then for the first one, I do it roughly 1 hour after.
1 hour.
Gives them more time to sort of think about it and change their mind. After 2 days, they still get emails. That's a good thing. And what's sort of the maximum coupon you could give off for the third one? Because the third and last email, that's sort of like a Hail Mary, where you just sort of want to give them the most discount you want, because it's like a free extra purchase. If you could turn them into a purchaser, it's free. So that's why I sort of call it the Hail Mary sort of email.
Yeah, what do you recommend? Like 40% or something?
So right now you sell it for 100. How much does it cost to buy?
$43. I mean, no, $40 on average. Some are like $35, some are $40, depending on country.
Why don't you do the first one? Nothing. Actually, do the first one at 10. Do 10, 20, 30. That's what you should do. 10, 20, 30.
Okay, sweet. Because the first one's 1 hour after, so yeah, might as well 10, 20, 30.
Exactly. And then obviously they don't get any more emails if they actually purchase, like after the first one.
Yeah. So I'll definitely add that after the call.
Okay, so now we go ahead and go into Barsin's retargeting. And it's pretty crazy. It only has 2 retargeting ad sets. So there's a lot of potential here to get like way more money off retargeting.
Yeah, guys, I didn't know this at the time, but like I only was using 2 retargeting ad sets, but like nowadays I do like 6, 8, and all of them always have a high ROAS. So I was just leaving money on the table at this point.
Alright, because I got a list of like 6 retargeting interests that I could do, so I can just do them like today, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Tell me the 6 you plan to launch.
So I've got view content, no add to cart, and then add to cart, no purchase, which I think have I got.
You already have.
Yeah, and then initiate checkout, no purchase, 95% viewed and no view content. 95% viewed but no view content. Yeah. And then page engagers. I saw this from a video, the page engagers.
That's good.
What exactly is that?
So people who engage on your Facebook page or your Instagram page, that's a good one.
Oh, okay. Sweet. So yeah, I've got those. Is there any more you think I should add?
You should do 50%, no 95% view.
Okay,
and no view content. So let me write that down actually. 50% view, exclude 95% and view content.
Oh yeah, sweet. So yeah, I'll definitely do that.
And now we go into advanced retargeting. So, normal retargeting just retarget all the assets, but advanced retargeting is where you go ahead and tailor your message based on the time frame of that audience and how long ago they've seen your product. Very powerful. You guys are going to get the whole blueprint here.
Exactly, guys. Having like different templates for your retargeting is insanely powerful, and it's just insane ROAS.
And then if you want to sort of take it to the next level, what I do is I do tiered retargeting. So for these 6 audiences, I have a ad for people who did those actions in the past 7 days. It's just showing the same ad to them again. Now, if it's from 7 to 14 days, I should throw a discount coupon in the ad copy. I'll be like, hey, thanks for checking out our product, or hey, we decide to give an extra 10% off. And then from 14 to 30 days, you can go ahead and give them, say, a 20% off coupon. And from 30 days to, say, 90 days, you go ahead and you could give them a 30% off coupon. And then 90 to 180 days, you just show them the ad once again, and then if they click on the ad, they get re-put into the funnel and they become a day one viewer or a day one clicker again, and then they go through the same old funnel. And when you sort of tier it like that, you get very good results, because now your sort of retargeting is very sort of tailored. And that's sort of the first step of retargeting. Now I'll go ahead and get into DPA ads. So you guys are literally seeing everything. Like, this is literally how you take a product from 0 to 100k. So now the second thing you could do with retargeting is do DPA ads, carousel ads, dynamic DPA, dynamic placement advertising. And to do that, you just simply install, I think it's actually on Facebook, where there's already the Facebook app. It's like there's a Facebook section if you go to your online store, and then you can connect your store to Facebook. You sync all your products onto your Facebook account, and then you'll be able to create a catalog. And then with the catalog, you'll be able to go ahead and create a dynamic retargeting ad. So that means every single product that people see in your store, the DPA ad would be tailored to that person. If they saw it bottled, then they'll be shown this DPA ad with the bottle. And then with the DPA ad, what you can do is you can do new content, no add to cart, and do add to cart, no purchase. And you do 0 to 7 days, 7 to 14, 14 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 180 as well.
Oh, sweet. Yep, so I'll definitely add those, because retargeting, it's a really big thing for getting more revenue, so I'll definitely have to add all those.
Correct. And then once you get it done once, the next step, which we can probably go over in depth on our next call, is when you create a one product store, you just duplicate this sort of crazy funnel that you made for the new store. So we go ahead and talk about CBOs, because that's the next thing that you guys were gonna get. But I talk about post-purchase retargeting. Like, this is something that people don't talk about, but there's insane results. Just retargeting people who have purchased and saying, hey, thank you for ordering. You'll be surprised how many people go back to your store to purchase more items.
Yeah, guys, that's super important, because you're basically targeting people who already know your store or like know your brand, and they're kind of more confident in purchasing again if they've already purchased from you.
Are we going to start doing CBOs in the future with this? Like, do you think this product still has potential to go further? Because I don't know, I have a feeling like it's kind of been like slowly going down, but maybe not.
No, it's just the timing.
Yeah, time is a big factor, and yes, CBO is a big scaling strategy that we definitely want to implement. So let's add CBO into the list of things to go over on our next call. Yeah, I definitely want to go over CBO. That might be a game changer for you, and I want to go over CBO before the end of the week, so you could sort of launch a CBO campaign before, on Thursday or Friday. So I'll try to slot you in for them.
Alright, man, that sounds cool. And basically today and tomorrow I'll have all the retargeting up, so by the next call it'll be up.
Correct. Let me think. I had something on the tip of my tongue. I had one more retargeting thing. Post-purchase retargeting. That's super powerful. So what you should do is, a lot of people don't do this. You actually get like insane results. You should target everyone that's purchased from your store in the past 7 days, or even what I start with is from the past, say 3 days or past 4 days. I just send a thank you message. I have like the image is like my store logo, and I say, hey, thank you so much for ordering our product. We are going to quality check, hand package it, and make sure everything is good to go before we send it to you. So expect a tracking update very soon. We just want to say thank you for ordering. And you don't link your store, you don't give a coupon, you don't do anything. And that ad itself converts. Like, they somehow see the ad, they go ahead and open a new tab, and they search your store and then buy another item, just because you just have such a nice customer experience. Then 3 to 7 days, you could show them 3 to 7 days, I would give a store-wide sort of coupon. Be like, hey, thank you so much for purchasing. We really appreciate it. We just want to sort of say thank you by giving you a 20% coupon that you could apply to anything on our store.
Okay, I see. That's actually really cool.
Exactly. And then I think you could do one from like 14 to like 60 days, give like a 30% coupon, and same thing, apply it to anything in your store. Talk about, hey, recently we ordered a bunch of new stock and we have a lot of inventory, and that's why we're giving everyone 30% off store-wide. and that's sort of the evergreen store post-purchase retargeting ad. Now you want to make a separate one specifically for your product. So you want to do the same thing, but instead of giving a random coupon that they could apply to your whole store, you should give them a coupon that they could apply to the same product. Actually not that, because that's the same as the first one, but you want to sort of give them tailored ads, meaning since they saw this product, you want to retarget them with more coils. Be like, hey, do you want more coils at 30% off? Hey, do you want more this sort of solution that helps you clean your foot, 50% off? Hey, do you want this sort of another bathtub but it's different, but it's also sort of helping for cleaning for your feet, 50% off? And that's sort of what you already have with your store, how it costs $200 and it's 50% off at $100. So you want to create a bunch of tailored, basically cross-sells, upsells to this product for post-purchase. And if someone's bought once, the likelihood of them buying again is pretty high. A lot of people might ask, oh, what would happen? Like, do they want to wait until they get the item first before you show them these retargeting ads? The answer is probably no, because their intent to purchase again just sort of decreases over time. You want to sort of get them to purchase again within the first sort of 2 weeks of purchasing, and you want to incentivize them with discounts. 50% off coils, 50% off this feet cleaning product, 50% off this similar related product.
Okay, I see. That's actually really interesting.
So I think that's probably like retargeting covered. You'll probably have to go over this call again to go over all the different things we have to launch, but this is probably like the most in-depth you could get with retargeting. And I think once you set everything up once, you'll get very good return on it. And then that is episode 8. So it's a very heavy retargeting video, so you guys basically know retargeting in and out thanks to this video. And that's like literally everything when it comes to advanced retargeting strategy. So I'm very excited to just share this with you guys and be as transparent as possible. So thank you, Barsin, for sharing this as well.
Thanks, Andy. Guys, so that episode is basically all about retargeting, and retargeting is super important. I know a lot of people who scale their first winner without actually doing retargeting, and you're just leaving so much money on the table. Retargeting ad sets are basically going to be your best ad sets.
Let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give Barsin a follow. His Instagram and YouTube channel is linked below. Give him a follow and subscribe, and question of the day. Do you have any other retargeting tactics that we might have missed? Put it in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys do. But that is episode 8, and I'm very excited for these sort of last few episodes. CBOs to the moon. CBOs are literally a whole new weapon in your arsenal when it comes to Facebook scaling, and here's how to go ahead and scale CBOs using CBO offsprings.
Guys, with CBO offsprings, and you just start duplicating the CBOs, you can actually make a lot of money if your product's strong enough. And if your product's killing it at $500 and you just keep duplicating it, so much money to be made.